YouTube, welcome to another wonderful tutorial. Today I'll break down this Highlife groove. It's very simple and it's very easy. It's done in the key of C, and C is like this. So don't forget you need your electric guitar sound. So I have electric guitar, that's clean guitar, and I have another type of guitar and a little bit of guitar distortion. So I have a video of how to set up the makosa or this kind of guitar like sound in another video. You can check that out in the channel. So let's go straight to the point. It's very simple, so I'll break it into 5 parts. The first part is the intro. So the second part, we do the groove. That's the groove I love most. That you can use that groove in any other you can use that groove in any other song or anything you want to use it for. So that's like the main groove of this whole Highlife thing. You can just skip every other part and let only that groove, because you can use it for so many other things. All right, so I have the intro excuse me, the first groove, and then there's a little bit of run, and then another run, and then the last groove. So 5 parts. So let's go straight to the intro. All right, so the intro sounds like this. Alright, so that's the intro. Now what did I do there? In the key of C. So this second inversion, C major chord. So what you play is, it's basically on the right, only the right hand side. So what I play there is, so do, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, do, mi, and then you play the G major chord. I'll take that again. That's the first part. And then the second part goes like this. So re, do, ti, sol, do, and then you end with the one, do, do. So let's do the first part. And then you do it again, but this time around you play. So do, mi, re, do, sol, la, sol, and then you hit the, and you play the re, do, ti, sol, do. So the intro, 1, 2, go. That's the intro. So from this intro we go to the first groove, which is like the main groove, and it goes like this. So it's simple again. Now this is the first inversion of C, this chord, and then the next chord is this is like a G7 chord. So if you add the left hand like this, like the G7 over D. Yep. Okay, so that's the 2 chords we are playing, but this is what you play. Mi, mi. You play the sol and the do together. So then you alternate between the mi and the sol. let's add the intro and the first part together, the first groove together. So it goes like this. So now we are going to the third part. We are moving. So the third part, should I call it pad? The third part is just a slide up to the G. So you slide up to G, where you play on this G like this, and then you move to the La or the A, and then you move down. So fa mi do so. So slide to G, G F E C G, and then so fa re mi fa mi fa re mi. So now the next part. So do mi re fa do ti la so fa mi. So the next one. So okay, yeah. Then you land with do and mi, re and fa, so la so. So after playing that a couple of times, then you go to the last groove. And the last groove is very simple as well. It's just the E and the G, or mi and so. So mi so mi sorry mi so mi so mi so. Then you add the do. So you play mi so do so mi so. So that's like everything. So I'll play everything from beginning to the end, slow and steady. that's everything. Now I'll just play the two main grooves in F sharp, C sharp maybe. So you can use what I've showed you and you can play it in any other key. But a couple of persons asked me to do it in F sharp and F, I think, or C. Like I will not do the whole tutorial in all the keys, but I'll just show you what you're going to play in those keys. So the first groove is so it's simple. Let's play that in a key of C sharp. The main groove there is, you remember, in C sharp. So these are mi, so, do, so, mi, so. Then the last groove, remember mi and so. C sharp, and let's go to F sharp. So remember mi, so, do, the whole chord is just the 1 and the 5 7, which is it's called F. So that's fa, so, ti, yeah. Right, so what's it now? Where is it? And the next one. In F, remember mi and so. And then fa, so, ti. So that's like everything. Back to C. What I'm just doing on the left hand side, I'm just following the chord. So the 1 chord and the G, second inversion of this G major chord. That's the whole thing, everything. So thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop your comments if you want me to do other breakdown. I'll be dropping many videos now, because I've been very busy with school, and good thing I'm done with my school, so I'll be dropping tutorials now. So thank you guys for watching the video, and God bless you. See you on the next one.